Alright, I have these gears that are all cracked, and now place it on this guy. So just give me. It's pretty hard to hold the camera. Alright, that was actually pretty easy. Now, I think that's full of grease. That's why you see it. Wait, let's zoom that in. Yeah, it's full of grease. Let's turn it on. It's weird. We'll just heat it up a little more. There we go. Wow, look at the color. Wait, what if I turn off the lights? Yo! That's cool! That's actually amazing. Sorry if the blurry camera view. Oh, now we have a focus. That's amazing. It's like a purplish blue color. That's like a little vibe color. That's beautiful. I think this happens because of the grease I put on. Maybe, or maybe. Ooh, that was beautiful. Now we just turn on the lights. That was amazing. It's not even there anymore. Alright, just give me a second. I'll just put these guys in here. I just have to remove it. Oh crap, the motor's actually pretty hot now. Oh crap. Come on, just get out. There we go. We'll put the other one. Let's put this one in. Sorry for my language. I mean, I didn't really cuss. It's just I have really bad language. Okay, now we're good. So, let's do this again. Now this one's actually pretty small. So this might be actually hard to take off. Okay, now let's turn off the light. Oh, beautiful. It's actually, whoa. Let's get close to it. Okay guys, I'm not actually that close to it. It's just like zoomed into it. Dang, look at that. That kind of looks like a nose. And it turns into, oh, that's beautiful. Oh, that was nice. That was literal niceness. And here's a little cap now. Actually, you can see a little residue right there. Alright. Now. Oh, the motor's actually pretty hot. Alright, let's take this guy off if we can. Oh, that was nice. Alright, let's put on a new one. Oh, this one came. Alright. New one. Let's push it in like this. I put a sink there so if it ever blows up on me, which that's really dangerous. By the way, kids, do not play with fire. Okay, now we can turn off the light. That's actually purely amazing. Oh crap. I can actually feel the heat. Look at that. Doesn't that look amazing? Whoa! It's switching colors. Yo, that's beautiful. Let's get it on this angle. Yo ho ho ho. Dang, what is that? Sorry, I'm still standing up, but oh, that was nice. Alright, and the residue, it's just a plain old motor. Alright, I'll take off the little thing now. I'm running it on with the capacitor. We still have two more, and this is the second one. And 3, 2, 1, that one came on pretty easy. I had other ones, but they had like more explosion to them. I think these are like made out of different types of like material. That's why it's glowing like. Okay, turn it off. Oh, that one's much brighter. See, if we get in this angle. Yo, it's dripping. It's about to drip. It wasn't like that before. Did you hear that? It's like bubbling. And it stopped. It's not making any noise. It's slowly fading away. Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. That was nice. That was very nice. If you didn't hear it, it was making some sort of like that noise. Okay, we got one last one. This one. These ones don't really count. They were just a little material I need. But this is the last one. First, I have to take off the little guy on there. Hopefully, this one turns out beautiful. I don't know if that's a word. How do I take this guy off? It's like really. Okay, this gotta work. Come on, just take off. I need to record a video. Oh man, this one's actually pretty tough. God dang. Oh, I got this. Don't click away. I'll be back. That's it. We need pliers. That's what we need. Sorry if you can't see, but I can't really hold the camera through. Come on, just take. Oh, okay. There we go. And then we just right here. Just place on the gear one last time. This one's actually pretty cracked, as you can see right there. I cracked the motor. The last one. Actually, let's turn off the lights. Yo, what? Whoa. What if we do this? We heat it up more. Nothing really happens. But that was cool. That was cool. That was really, really cool. Guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I enjoyed it. I literally enjoyed making it. That was actually really nice. But if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to like and subscribe. And maybe I'll do more if you guys want me to. I just have to find cracked gears in my collection, but that's the only types I can find right now. But if I can find other ones or get new rotors that have cracked gears, I'll put them on right there and show you. But, okay, bye.